Una sa ating mga balita, tila pinagsabihan ni Presiding Officer Chis Escudero ang Defense Council ni Vice President Sara Duterte dahil sa mga pagtutol nito at hindi pagpapatapos sa pahayag ng prosecution. Hindi naman umubra ang musyon ng depensa na strike out o alisin sa record ang opening manifestation ng prosecution team. Narito po ang report.
What is proper is that they present...
Naging mainit agad ang palitan ng argumento sa pagitan ni House Prosecutor at Iloilo Representative Lawrence Defensor at Defense Counsel Attorney Carlo Narvasa sa pagsisimula yan ng presentasyon ng Article 4 o ang grave threat sa impeachment trial ni Vice President Sara Duterte.
Noong 22 ng Hunyo 2026, nagulat at nagdalamhati ang buong bansa sa pamamaril sa isang paaralan.
Sorry, excuse me.
Your Honor, may I be allowed to finish my manifestation? I will not disrespect and interrupt the defense counsel
but before
once he has started.
this is no disrespect, sir.
Counsel for respondent is recognized.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, this is improper. The improper for trial. Manifestation, this is not a manifestation proper for court procedure. This is instead them telling a story. This is a narration by the prosecution.
Sinubukang maghain ni Narvasa ng musyon na strike out o alisin sa record ang opening manifestation ni Defensor kaugnay sa kasong grave threat. Pero hindi ito umubra nang ibasura ni Presiding Officer Chis Escudero ang naturang musyon ng depensa.
Your Honor, may I be allowed also to... Your Honor, we move to strike that opening statement. It's improper for trial. It is not evidentiary in nature. And it only provides conclusions of fact and law. Most of it is irrelevant.
No need. Motion is denied. Let it remain in the records and as instructed by the chair for the senator judges not to consider, deem whatever statements were given by the Honorable Defensor as evidentiary in any way, shape, size, or form.
Lumutang sa paglilitis ang unang testigo ng prosecution na si NBI Senior Agent John Mark Calilong.
You, John Mark Calilong,
I, John Mark Calilong,
do swear
who swear
that the evidence you shall give
that evidence that I give
in the case now pending
is in the case now pending
between the Philippines
in the Philippines
and Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte
and Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte
shall be the truth,
shall be the truth,
the whole truth,
the whole truth,
and nothing but the truth.
and nothing but the
So
truth.
help you God.
So help me God.
Iprinisenta nila ang screenshot ng preservation request ni Calilong na ipinadala sa Meta na bahagi ng kanilang ebidensya. Pumalag naman si Attorney Armando Ligurana ng prosecution panel ng putulin at tutulan ni Attorney Narvasa ang kanyang pahayaga.
Bilang unang pagkakataon ng isang vice presidente ay nakipagkontrata sa isang mamamatay tao upang patayin no less than the presidents of the Republic of the Philippines. Panglima.
Your Honor, may I object. Is this a speech or an offer?
Your Honor, please, with all due respect to counsel,
For the prosecutor may proceed.
it should not be a
May I register my continuing
There's
objection?
no proper ground. This is offer of testimony. Please hold your horses.
Tila pinagsabihan naman ni Senador Chis Escudero ang Defense Counsel ni Duterte dahil sa mga pagtutol nito at hindi nito pagpapatapos sa pahayag ng prosecution.
This witness is listed in the pretrial order. The issue is settled. The issue is passé. No ground for objection. Let me proceed, Your Honor.
Of course not, Your Honor. There were no rulings.
Counsel for respondent is recognized
Thank you,
for a
Honor.
final rebuttal on this issue before the the chair will issue a ruling.
Samantala, hiniling naman ng prosecution team sa Senate Impeachment Court na ipasabpina si Atty. Zulaika Lopez, ang Chief of Staff ni BP Sara para gawing testigo. Matibay at mahalagaan nila ang magiging testimonya ni Zulaika para mapatunayan ang mga aligasyon. Iminungkahi nila na humarap si Zulaika, gayon din si NBI Director Melvin Matibaga sa susunod na paglilitis sa July 13, July 14 at July 15.